Yeah, for the Sean Party family. Sean Party 2.
So we're just bowling. Yeah, we're out bowling. How many strikes you get? You got
2.
You got 2 strikes on the board. Your
2.
score is 95.
95.
My wife's score is 71 and mine
Sean?
is 66.
Sean.
Okay.
For the Kayla Party account, please. Kayla.
That is fair.
Then you get a strike. Let's see. Bounce, bounce. That's what he's been doing all day. Oh. Yeah, he's been doing like that all day, bouncing it off the bumpers, getting strikes. Is she gonna pick up the spare? We're gonna see. One. No score. So we start a new game and Seth got a strike. We got a strike on the first roll. Yeah. I gotta get 2 more. 3 more pins. Missed about 1. Okay, he's going up again. Got him. So he's back up again. He's going to try to get this strike. Almost. He just decided to get up and come bowling. Because he wanted to go bowling, so that's what we're doing. It's fun. It's fun. I haven't been bowling in over a year. Pretzel. Yeah. Yourself, my wife, and me. Hold on. So, Seth, he won. I came in second, my wife came in third. Good game. Okay, so we're done bowling and it's raining. So I'm going to drive the car up here to the front to pick them up.
think it was a good game. That was good. If I can back out, there's a really big truck behind me. I got like 2 big trucks next to me.
I'm using this.
Oh, you use that?
Use the plate as the umbrella.
That's a good idea, nah? You lock fast.
I'm doing this.
So the winner of the bowling today is who?
Me.
Woo!
You win both games, right?
No.
Can you
Yeah,
give
he
me
did.
a candy?
No, me win the first game. And
The
then
first round?
First round I win.
I thought he had 100 and...
That was me.
Oh, okay.
And then Seth this
Seth
time.
won the second game.
Daddy lost this game.
I lost.
And the second.
My hand and elbow started hurting. That's why I didn't bowl a good game like I used to bowl.
My nail chipping. Hmm?
So we're going home now and relax. Get something to eat and relax, right?
Huh?
What are you gonna eat? Hey, you didn't fasten seatbelt, bro.
Yeah, fasten your seatbelt.